All right, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 3, drawing in a game lab. So this one says, place squares in corners. A big part of using game lab is understanding position. Remember, you can always turn on the grid or hover with the mouse to help find the X and Y position you want. So where it says show me where, we have this nice pop-up that says, hey, turn another grid on here. Click. All right. So do this. Place 2 rectangles exactly in the corners of the screen, just like the picture. You will need to drag out a second rectangle block. All right, so we have one way up here, and we have one way down here. All right, so we're going to start with this one. And when I press run, it shows up here. That's not where we want it. We want it up here. And look at that. It tells us what the coordinates are. So we're going to reset, and we're going to change this to 0 and 0. Let's see if I'm right. We're going to run it. Da-da-da-da. There we go. Great rectangle in the top corner. But now we got to do one in the bottom right corner. So we're going to drag this over. And if I put my cursor right there, it says X 350, Y 350. So let's put that in here. All right, 350 and 350. Let's see if I'm right. Run. That looks like that. If I turn off the grid, looks the exact same. All right, so we've got level 3 done. I will see you on level 4. Here we go.